And the problem is NACE-based configuration is not supported in Fiori. And that is the reason they came up with this option that if you are using cloud, uh, if you are not using on-premise, if you are using cloud solution from SAP, in cloud solution, NACE option is not at all available. The only option available is you have to use the new output determination. Okay. But apart from that, when we see the details, when we see the step-by-step details, how it is configured, then things will become more clear.
Mr. Vikram, like if, as you mentioned, like it is all business rules in the S4HANA, and the condition technique was the one which we were using in the world. In that case, our pricing procedures also is changing according to the business rules, or the same old condition technique is
Okay.
continued?
The thing was when SAP introduced this BRF plus based framework, initial days, it was a like everybody was talking about that yes, everything is going to be replaced by BRF plus, but later on, the response that SAP got in terms of output itself was not very good, and that is the reason now there is a lot of slowness. Slowness in the sense SAP is not concentrating too much on this BRF plus framework. Okay, and that is the reason even today also, if you ask me, even if the new output determination is available, whether it is being used by the companies or not, there are very, very few, maybe only cloud customers I can say because they don't have the NACE option. They are going for the new output determination, but others are currently also they are following the old output determination. And due to the response, because customers are not using the new functionality as it is not 100% delivered from SAP, even SAP has become slow to deliver the other components which can be replaced with BRF plus. So although the idea was yes to replace the condition-based techniques wherever it is used in pricing, in output, everything with BRF plus, but because the response was not that much good, there is no change in the pricing procedure. It is still following the condition-based technique. But it may happen in future once the BRF plus is stabilized and the customers are accepting it. It may happen in future that the pricing is also to be carried out using the BRF plus framework.
Okay. Means as far as cloud customers are concerned, they can also use the condition-based pricing now, as of now?
Yes, yes. From the pricing point of view, there is no problem. Only thing is for the output, they will be only able to use BRF plus.
Okay, understood.
Right. Pricing is there is no change. Pricing, irrespective of whether you are using on premise or you are using on cloud, there is no currently there is no replacement available for condition based, and that is the reason it is available in both. But when it comes to output, output is very clear in SAP S4HANA Cloud. You don't have the option of NACE at all. NACE even initially when SAP came up with the first version of S4HANA, they even in on-premise system they removed NACE. But later on, as I told you, the response was not good. Customers have asked SAP to provide NACE till the time PRF plus is not stable, and that is the reason till now also uh, NACE is available. Okay, and even going forward, because as I told you, the improvements or the developments are very slow when it comes to BRF plus. So maybe SAP is not stopping any customers to go for NACE. It is available and it is customers' choice whether to go for NACE or the new output determination.
Uh, Coming back to our sales order, I have a question. Can I ask, or like anybody has any questions in this one?
Go ahead, go
Yeah,
ahead.
actually,
Any
I
question?
have,
Go
I
ahead. We
have a
now
few
completed the
questions.
overall cycle.
Sales
If
order,
you have any
please.
questions, you ask.
Yeah, regarding the order, like after creating the order, the quantity and this confirmation of quantity before picking, uh,
Mhm.
how actually it happens? Can you explain again, please?
Confirmation of quantity you are saying, right?
Yeah, I'll create, like we created the order, then trading goods are like one of the goods we took 10 pieces. After that, one more line is created, schedule line, where it says the confirmed quantity, right? like
Right. See, what
how
happens
it
is,
how it is.
you are getting the order from the customer. Let's assume you are my customer. Okay,
Yeah.
you came to me and you said that I am looking for this material and I want the delivery before this particular date. So what I'll do is when I create the sales order, I will enter the material that you are looking for. I will enter the quantity, and I'll also tell the system that this is the delivery date customer is looking for. Now, what system will do? System
Are
will
you sharing your
automatically.
screen now?
No, no, no. You want me to share? Okay,
No,
let me
no
share.
need, no need, no need, no need. It's okay.
No problem. Let me do this. So let's say
Okay.
you are my customer, so I entered your customer ID here. You given me PO. I entered your PO number. I entered your PO date. Whatever payment terms we agreed, whatever the freight charges and all we agreed, those things I will enter all here. Even in the conditions, I will
Yeah.
enter the material that you are looking for, how much quantity you are looking for, what is the price that we agreed. Within the price also, what are the taxes, all those conditions I can enter in this conditions tab. Okay, and before I save this order, if I activate the system to perform the availability check, what system will
Hmm.
do is just to ensure that, see what will happen if I just blindly enter the date here and then at the time of delivery I came to know that there is not sufficient stock available in the system. So that will
Hmm.
create a wrong impression, right? My reputation will
Hmm.
be created very
Hmm.
bad. And that is
Hmm.
the reason I want system, whenever I'm creating the order, system should go and check in the stock whether the material is available or not. If the material is not available, what system will do is system will go and check, even that is a flexibility available in the system. It will go and check in the procurement module that if I create a purchase order for this material today, normally how much time it takes to receive this material.
Okay.
Okay. And
Hmm.
system will propose me that material is not available on this particular date, but material can be available on this particular date. Okay, so for example, you are requesting for 20th, but I'm
Hmm.
100% sure that 20th is not possible because the stock is not available. And if I even order it, it will take another 5 days to receive the stock. So accordingly, system will perform the calculations and it will tell you that the next date on which you can deliver this material is 25th. Okay, so
Hmm.
although I want on 20th, but what you can see the system is doing is system is saying yes, you were requesting for 20th, but I can only deliver on 21st.
Okay.
Why this is being done is now once the sales order has been created, you can send this sales order as an acknowledgement to the customer that I received your order and I have already processed your order in my system and you requested for the delivery date of 20th, but just to inform you that we'll be only able to deliver on 21st. So that customer is also aware, not surprised when you are not delivering the material on the 20th.
Understood. Like this one is even related to our material. Even the route determination is also possible in this case, right? Like for example, my customer is far away, 1,000 kilometers away. My delivery will be like even if he
Yes,
asks for
route
20th.
determination is also possible.
Possible. Okay. So that will also be updated here itself, the confirmed quantity and then whatever the possible delivery date. It could be both based on delivery, I mean, what do you call route determination and as well as the availability also, if I'm not wrong. Is that correct?
Right.
Okay. Thank
Yes, Nagesh, you're right.
you.
Hello. So,
Yes, Akshay, you were asking something? Yes,
yeah,
Tushar.
sir,
Go ahead.
sir, actually, I can see that there is two things, like outbound delivery and delivery. So, is there any difference between them?
No, delivery is a common term. Outbound delivery is more specific. So when you are saying outbound delivery, this means you are issuing the material out of your stock. When you say inbound delivery, it means the material is coming into your stock.
So, there is another term inbound also.
Inbound also. Inbound is normally used when you receive the material. So let's assume you are doing let's say you are doing the stock transfer from one plant to another plant. So for one plant, it would be inbound and another plant, it would be outbound.
And sir, this
right?
schedule line date is coming by automatically or something we have to be assigned for that? Because we
No,
can
no, no.
see
Whatever information is coming here, okay, whether it is shipping or it is billing or it is conditions or account assignment, for all of this, we have to do some configuration. Currently, system is taking the default configuration, whatever is already maintained, right? But if we have a separate requirement, if you are not happy with the way the standard system behaves, we have a complete control where we can go and configure according to our requirements. So till now, whatever we have seen, we have just seen what is available in the standard system. Okay, even we are using the standard document type, we are using the standard conditions, we are using the standard item category, but we have the option that we can create on our own also if we are not happy with the standard functionality.
Hello, Vikram.
Yes, Akshay.
I yes, order reason in sales order. So is it removed or what?
Sorry, which one?
Order reason.
Order reason. No, order reason is available. Maybe the field control is not available, otherwise, order reason is still available.
Yeah, it's something in location one is there. I don't know that. So
You can see the order reason.
okay. Yeah. Okay. What is info location one in place of order reason? There is info location one in yeah header there.
This one. No, no, even this is there in ECC also. Only thing is field control. So if you don't want to see this field, you can
Yeah.
disable it. You want to bring, you can bring it. So these are all the fields which are available, which you can customize as per your requirements.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Got it.
hello.
Yeah, apart
Sir,
from this customer
so
reference and customer reference date, if you compare it with ECC, there is no change. But we have to discuss this. Huh? I'm not saying that we don't need to discuss. We have to discuss most of the important fields that we normally use. But yes, it is up to us which fields we want to display, which field we want to hide.
sir,
Yes,
actually, when we are talking about the revenue account, you told something, the key transactions. So, sir, what are them? It's there different key transactions.
sorry, transaction keys you are saying, not key
Yes,
transaction.
sorry, sir. Yes, sir.
So that
Transaction
is
key, sir.
actually, yeah, so that is, see, there are different types of materials movement. Okay, material can go out, material can come in. Sometimes you are selling the material to the customers, sometimes you are issuing the materials to the internal departments, sometimes you are buying the assets. So there are different type of transactions that you do, right? So for
Okay.
each those type of transactions, SAP has provided different transaction keys so that if you want to assign the separate GLs, that you can do it very easily. Okay, so the most important are BSX, which is related to your stock account. Okay, same way if you talk about the SD point of view, we have GBB, which is mainly for COGS. Okay, so if you go for GBB, this we normally use for our COGS account, right? So like this, there are different transaction keys which are available in the system so that they will be able to determine your GL accounts. Okay,
Uh,
Tushar?
Going forward, are
Yes.
we going to look into different kinds of orders like
Yes.
consignment, credit?
Yes, Nagesh. What we will do is we are going to see two different things. Number one, we need to see the different scenarios. So as of now,
Okay.
discussed is a straightforward scenario where we create a sales order, delivery, and billing. But going
Okay.
forward, even within the standard scenarios also, whatever we have done, we have used all the standard things which are pre-delivered by SAP. For example, order type. Now, tomorrow, if you want to
Mm.
create your own order type, what is the purpose of the order type? What are the different fields which can be controlled by the order type? So we need to see all these configurations also.
Okay.
So different type of scenarios. plus how to configure those scenarios. These are the two things that we are going to see in detail.
Sir, can you provide previous video of material ledgers because it's important because we cannot process further.
Material ledger I can provide, but material ledger, anyways, okay, for activation you are saying.
Yes, yes, yes. So because sir,
Okay,
tomorrow's session was Scrum told that so might be not updated in the your portal actually. So that's why
okay,
I'm asking.
okay. Okay, so any questions before we close today?
Yeah, Vikram, will you take a session on authorizations, credit card, bank account authorizations? Those are the, I think, fields we saw while creating customer. That's why. How the authorization process in sales order.
Okay, you mean to say how to give the authorization to the end user?
No, 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 no. In sales order, there is payment card where we the credit card and bank account details get updated. So how it gets the authorized for the net value of the uh, order.
Yes, 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 that we'll be discussing.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you then. See you next Saturday. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Have a
Thank you.
nice week. Yeah. Bye.